filming?
Filming.
Hi, this is Lynn with MI Tinker, and today I am doing a review of my DeWalt pole pruning saw. And I have to tell you, when I first got it, I was not thrilled with it because it's very top heavy. And I almost took it back before even trying it. But I tried it and I liked it. So let me show you today what it is that I like about this and give you a few examples of cutting. It comes with this. It's a cover that protects it. Which is pretty handy. It's got an adjusting Allen wrench. Make sure that's nice and tight. Today I brought out the extension pole for it. So we're going to give that a try. So this has a cuff on it that allows you to unthread and pull off as such. And then I am going to add the extension, which is the same type of connector. So you've got two arrows here and here. Okay, and put those connectors together and then put the cuff on and snug it down. Okay, you back up a little. And then that is tight. Now we're going to do the last one to get the final extension on. And it's pretty much the same thing. You've got an arrow. Find the other arrow. Put the two arrows together. Slide the cuff on. And rotate until it's snug. Now we're ready to do some pole pruning. I've got the extension on it. I'm going to trim a couple suckers off of this maple tree. The first thing I'm going to do is get it up and actually rest it right where I'm going to do the trim. And then there is a safety that locks down. And then you can pull the trigger, safety, and then trigger. And let the tool do the work. The weight of the head actually assists in the trim. So once you've got it up there, don't pull on it, just let it rest, because it does have this little tooth mechanism right at the right angle, and it helps you cut the limb. And then they're all done. So the other thing I can do is I can trim away from the roof, so I can get up nice and high without being on a ladder. And that's a really important thing. You know, you don't want to have power tools and being on a ladder over your head. That's not the safest thing. So I really love this DeWalt, and if you're a DeWalt tool user, I would highly recommend it. Even if you're not, I would recommend it. Make short work of trimming and getting dead limbs off of trees, or just trimming for shaping. I really love this DeWalt, and it's very comfortable, and it can make short work of a lot of work. So Lynn with MI Tinker, showing you my DeWalt pole saw. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks.